Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get more candy fast in Dress to Impress. If you need more candy for the exclusive new items in DTI, there's a brand new easy method that just dropped to post your haul. So in here, what you need to do is just head into the Lana's nail salon in the free play area. And here you can see this one right here, a clickable candy cauldron on her desk on Lana's nail salon. So this cauldron gives you free candy and it will reset every 30 minutes. So to collect it, you can just click on it right here or click on E, and just like that you get free candy, and you can just wait for another 30 minutes to get more candy. So stop missing out on the limited time items and start boosting your candy totals today. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.